Good morning, dear student. Today we reach to end of unit number 1, and with these two topics we will finish unit number 1. And what are the two topics? That is BHC and DDT. So we proceed for BHC. BHC means benzene hexachloride, and what we are going to study is a gamma form, because this BHC exists in 9 forms, that is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, eta, theta, iota and kappa, and out of these 9 forms we are going to study the gamma form, and therefore we are calling it as a gamexene. In this BHC there are 6 in the if we see the molecular formula, that is C6H6Cl6, means 6 carbon atoms are there, 6 hydrogen atoms are there, and 6 chlorine atoms are also there. So how to prepare this BHC? It is a simple chlorination reaction. When benzene undergoes chlorination in presence of UV light, means it is a free radical mechanism. The addition of chlorine takes place and we get benzene hexachloride, which is called as BHC. So now the BHC exists in two forms, that is, or more precisely we are saying that the BHC or gamexene form of this BHC, it exists in two form. One is a chair form, another one is boat form. And as we already studied in semester 2, chair form is more stable as compared to boat form, because all the bond angle present in the chair form is 109 degree 28 minute, which is very stable, because at this angle the stress or strain is negligible, and therefore here also we are saying that the chair form of BHC is more stable. Now we turn towards the properties of BHC. Actually BHC is very stable. Why we are calling it very stable? It is a stable solid because it is not affected by water, light or air. But on heating in presence of alkali, it gives trichlorobenzene with elimination of 3 hydrogen chloride. Now, where we use this BHC? BHC is used as an insecticide. Then the next topic is DDT. What is the long form of this compound? It is a dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. How to prepare it? Here we are taking 2 molecules of chlorobenzene, and 2 molecules of chlorobenzene, it reacts with 1 molecule of a chloral molecule. We already studied how to prepare chloral molecule. If you are not getting it, I am just trying to revise it. We first take acetaldehyde. That acetaldehyde undergoes a chlorination, and in acetaldehyde H3 of CH3, it gets substituted by Cl. So what we get is CCl3CH double bond O, which is called as a chloral molecule. So here in this preparation, this chlorobenzene, 2 molecules of chlorobenzene, it reacts with 1 molecule of chloral molecule in presence of sulfuric acid or aluminum chloride, and we get DDT, that is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Now uses of this DDT, it is used as an insecticide to control the diseases like malaria, typhoid, etc. So dear students, with this topic we come to end of the unit number 1, and in the next week we will start unit number 2, that is alcohol and phenol. And before that I wanted to tell you that within this 1 week you have to prepare for the unit number 1. You have to study all unit number 1. I already send you the videos as well as the written notes in the form of PDF. So you have to write all the notes by your own handwriting. You have to read all these notes and do practice on rough copy, and be ready to solve the questions in the next week. It is in the form of multiple choice questions. And within that time, if while studying you are having any problem, please contact me. You can contact me directly, or you can put your problems on our WhatsApp group or on my personal number. I am always ready to solve your problem. I am always for you. So please revise all the unit. Please try to listen all the videos for unit number 1. Then try to read the um, notes and solve the your test. So all the best, and from the next week we will start unit number 2. Till then, goodbye.